Welcome to Every Mile.
Every mile we're making memories side by side, growing in love and unity with every destination. New story unfolds every mile.
Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are in Pacifica, California. It's kind of a cold, wet, rainy day. We're going to explore some of the trails that they have here. The trail we're going to start with is the Pacifica Quarry Running Trail. It's a little paved road. It's going to be fun. But right off the main road, you turn down here, there's a little parking lot. And then just down the parking lot, there is the trail. Looks like a cute little garden right off the side. We haven't done any research on this, but what it looks like is that you can rent or purchase little plots as part of this memorial garden, and you can kind of dedicate it to whoever you feel is in need. You've seen 9/11, you've seen individuals that may have passed. Pretty cool. They're all really beautiful places. All right, now just past the memorial garden is the rest of the trail. Let's see how it is. Jelly Bean, what do you think of this? Is it good? All right. All right, so how was the hike up here?
It was amazing, and it's a good idea to do it because look out there.
Is it easy or difficult?
It's easy. It's easy, yeah.
Yeah, the view doesn't disappoint in either direction. Whether you're looking at the mountainside, or whether you're coming out to the coast, it's very beautiful. This is Rockaway Beach down here. We were down there last night. And then that's Pacifica. Well, it's all Pacifica, but yeah, a beautiful ocean view. Reminds me a lot of the Oregon coast.
And I love the Oregon coast.
Me too.
There they are. One of ours decided not to climb up the mountain. So we're hanging out down here. That does look like a coconut.
Look it.
That's cool. I'm not sure where that came from. Just over that hill is Rockaway Beach. It's really pretty.
Found a coconut. It has a special face. So it's really wet and muddy today, but it's so beautiful. As wet as it is, we do love this weather. So you can see behind me, there's all kinds of different trails. Up on the hill, right behind me now, there's more trails. This area is actually known as the Labyrinth. So there's just tons of trails to go, and you can't, I don't know if there's a designated path or if you can just kind of go whatever trail you want. We just kind of followed up the trail that they're on right now, that they're coming down to go up to see that view before. It's really just fun. It's beautiful. We got a lot of crazy views, and we just enjoy it. This is really fun. Check it out. All right, so we're getting a little rained out on the trails. They're beautiful, they're fun. We're a little wet. One of our girls isn't feeling too well. We're gonna go try to find a spot that's inside. I have something in mind. He doesn't know where we're going.
Yes, I don't.
He does love filming locations though. And one of the stops is one of the spots that they filmed a scene from the movie Princess Diaries, which is one of his favorite movies. No, I'm teasing. But it's one of our family favorite movies, the Princess Diaries. And so we may go check that out. All right, so we got a little wet. It's raining outside. But how was the hike?
It was good. It was beautiful. Getting to the top of the hill was really pretty.
The overlook that really made the whole hike worth it. No matter what the weather, it made the hike worth it.
And the memorial plots were really interesting and a cool way to celebrate your loved ones.
For sure. So we're gonna head up Highway 1 right now. Nobody really knows where we're going except for me. I'm hoping that we don't get disappointed by this. So I've never been, I've heard about it. Let's check this thing out. So here's our first stop, which is the Land's End Lookout Visitor Center. You can see we're right across the street from Golden Gate Park, kind of overlooking the old bathhouse down there. And then we're gonna go kind of right down here for the giant camera. Another angle of the baths. This area right behind me is a filming location. There used to be an arcade here. Like I said, they moved it up by the pier, but there used to be an arcade here with all antique arcades. This is where, in the movie Princess Diaries, Julie Andrews was arm wrestling with that thing and lost, and then got mad, and she came back and won. That happened right here. But it's not here anymore. And here's the giant camera. It is closed today. But inside there's a screen that you can go and you can see, but it basically just shows you what's outside. But it's kind of a cool technology that you can see what's being projected outside. What do we have?
We have miniature pies.
All right, we are back in our hotel. It has been a wet, cold day. We came in and we were relaxing for a little bit. We just went out and got some food. That is the end of our day in Pacifica. Thank you for coming with us on this adventure, and we'll catch you next time.